I'm OG, y'all new to the game.
I'm back. So I'm just gonna be doing a normal pace bits video, like I always do. But it's been a month, so I mean, I had to really come back at some point, didn't I? But now I'm back. I'm back from my 10-year, I don't know what I was doing. I'm back at the normal place, back at this area, which I normally record at. And I'm ready to start grinding videos out again. And we are gonna try and hit 4,000 subscribers. Since I hit 3,000 subscribers, I haven't made a video. And now we're about to hit 3.2k subscribers. And that is mental to be that I haven't even uploaded. And you guys just smashing it, just getting me even more. And I'm just getting more subs. It's just sick. Anyway, before we do get into this Pace Bits video, I just want to give a shout out to two of my friends and my second channel. So my second channel is going to be the top link of the description, so make sure you do go check that out. The second link will be my friend Jaden's channel. He's really good at Fortnite. He's got over 100 wins, a console player as well, which is very amazing. He streams very often. I'm in them, and you guys want to see me? No, you don't. But he's just pretty sick. Go check him out. And then the third link will be another friend, Shreyas. So he has just started his channel. He also does Fortnite. He's got 95, 96 wins. They're both really good. So make sure you guys follow them both. I can't speak. And yeah, basically I'm in most of their streams, or a few of their streams. Check them out, give them some support. And yeah, it's just simple as that. Anyway guys, let's get right into the video. So I have all these packs on the screen right there. So what else would I do other than open them? Actually, I would play Fortnite, which is open. Let me just flip the camera around. Let's just do that. Look guys, Fortnite is open. Yep. So I mean, I would do that, but I'll open packs for you guys. Yeah. Okay. So I have all these packs, even them. Yeah. Let's go for some team of the season packs. I will do a part 2, part 3, all of these parts. If I can hit 25 likes, I will do a part 2 to this, and it'll be out shortly tomorrow, next day. Whenever we hit it, I guess I'll just have to release it. All right. So, what is there? There is some Festival of Football packs. Let's open them. Okay, come on. It's orange. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're entered. Haven't even got them yet. Nope. There's 40 of these. Is that Festival Football? I don't know. Let's hope it is. Okay. Florenzi. I think that's one. I think that is one. Is French. Pogba? I don't know. Who's French? I haven't touched this thing. Okay, it's Pogba. Unless there's some other sentiment. I don't know. It's Pogba. 94 rated. Let's go. Look, guys. It's real. Hold on. Who is this? Oh, Lamar. Okay. Oh my God. Lewandowski, Pogba, and Lamar. That's good. It's an icon. I haven't said it's an icon for so long. It's Brazilian. I don't know Pele. It's Ronaldo. It's Ronaldo. Let's see. Come on, 96. Oh my God, yes. Look at guys, we just got 96 Ronaldo. Look, it's real. It's real. You can't say that's fake. Let's go. Come on. That's one. That's a Festival of Football. Yeah. Okay, that's Festival of Football. Who is it? Ochoa. Yep, that's Ochoa. What happened to his hair? I don't know. Okay. Ooh, we got this Marcelo card. That's pretty good. Okay, come. Ramsey. Oh my god, I'm getting nothing. What are these packs? That is one. I'll end the pack opening off with this. It's French. Who else was French? It's a centre mid. Juventus. It's Matuidi. Is it? I think it's Matuidi. It's Matuidi. I'll take that. That's a good way to end it off. That is a great way to end it off, actually. So guys, hope you guys did enjoy the video. It's 3 days later. I'm sorry, but my Wi-Fi's been down, and now I'm gonna upload the video finally. So yeah, make sure you just enjoy the video. You enjoyed the video. I don't know. Okay, guys, I'll be uploading regularly, and I'm gonna be streaming some Fortnite very regular. So make sure you check that out. All right, guys, enjoy your day.